Hello there, welcome to our second Fly to Japan Lucky Draw. The premise of this promotion, for those of you who are trading, you probably already know this. Those who are new and joining us, the Fly to Japan promotion, the premise is you trade SGX Nikkei 225 index futures at only 50 cents and you stand a chance to win a pair of round trip air tickets to Tokyo. All right, so I'll tell you more about how you can increase your chances in the slides that I'll be coming on very shortly. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Phillip Nova. Phillip Nova, we have been around for over 41 years. We were established in 1983, and we offer trading of futures, forex, CFD, stocks, and options. All right, so if you're looking for a trusted Singapore broker to offer you these kind of trading access, look no further. Phillip Nova is the broker for you. Okay, so as promised, I want to tell you a little bit more about how you can increase your chances of the Fly to Japan promotion. You just need to trade 5 lots of SGX Nikkei 225 index futures. Okay, and every 5 lots you trade, your lucky draw chances will increase by 1. Okay, so you trade 5 lots, you get 1 lucky draw chance. You trade 10 lots, you will get 2 lucky draw chances. And 15, you get 3 chances, and so on and so forth. All right, so next, before I jump to the next slide, if you'd like to find out more about our Fly to Japan promotion, you can scan the QR code on the right at the bottom of your screen, and you can learn more about the promotion. Next up, we need to show you this disclaimer as required by local regulations. We have a colleague who will be coming on to tell you a little bit more about the opportunity in the Japan market and Nikkei 225. So without further ado, let's put our hands together for Jingning.
Thank you, Sri, and hi everyone, I'm Jingning. So before I start my topic, I would like to share that the market views are only for discussion and does not serve as any financial advice. Okay, so let's go on our topic. So why trade on Japan markets and Nikkei 225? Japan is a technological advanced society and it is the 4th largest economic country in the world, while Nikkei 225 represents top blue chip company in Japan. And if you are tracking on the movement of Nikkei 225, you will realize that it has been making new all-time highs in the recently, and it has been very volatile in these few days. I believe that this might be a good chance to gain our exposure in Japan equity markets. And I know you must be very curious and excited to know more about the trading ideas. Let me invite our market analyst, Danish, to talk about the trading ideas.
Okay, hi. Thank you, Jingning. So, like Jingning mentioned, the Nikkei 225 has seen considerable volatility recently. I think just last Monday, the index dropped by about 12.4%, the largest decline since 1987. But just the very next day, it actually went up by 10% or more. And the main reason is because the US data came out better than expected. So US recession fears were easing. And at the same time, the carry trade, which was the unwinding of carry trade, which was one of the reasons for the decline in the Nikkei, has started to ease off. More importantly, looking ahead, we do see some positive aspects. For example, just last week, Japan real wages data actually came up. It actually rose for the first time in 27 months. And when we say real wages, it means that it's adjusted for inflation. And what this tells us is that wage growth in Japan is growing faster than inflation. And the hope is that this will increase consumption and provide another boost to the equity market in Japan. And other than that, looking at options data, we also see that the put call open interest ratio is actually near its lowest in about 5 years. As you can tell from the orange line in the chart I provided, what this means is that there are essentially more call option contracts on the Nikkei than put option contracts, which generally indicates more bullish sentiment in the Nikkei 225. So overall, in our opinion, we believe that the long-term case hasn't really changed much. As I mentioned, we are seeing real wage growth, and because of the recent decline, valuations are more attractive. But in the meantime, we are likely to see elevated volatility as markets reprice recession fears and the BOJ normalizes its policy. Our target is roughly set around 37,800, around that level. And we prefer to set a trailing stop loss where the stop loss will move alongside the market prices. So with that, I'll hand over the time to Sri, who will continue with the proceedings and of the lucky draw.
All right, I'm back and it's time for our lucky draw. Let me just jump to our lucky draw screen. Okay, sorry for slight delay. Okay, so we have our lucky draw set up here, and we're going to pick one lucky winner for our Fly to Japan promotion for the month of July. Just a quick reminder, if for some reason you don't see your name appear, you still have a chance to win for the rest of the year. We're going to have a lucky draw for the Fly to Japan promotion, and you could still be in the running. Okay, so all you need to do is keep trading the SGX Nikkei 225 Index futures, and you could be our next winner for August. All right, without further ado, let's invite the Executive Director for Phillip Nova, Miss Grace Chan, to do the honors and pick our lucky draw winner. Grace, please.
Hi everyone, and we are back this month for the lucky draw of Fly to Japan. I hope some of the audience here have been following, and if you are one of the participants, so stay tuned. I'm going to click on the button and see who will be the lucky winner for this month. So who do we have? It's YM Lim. Lin, right. Congratulations, YM Lin. The team will be in touch shortly and to let you know how to claim the prizes. So like what my colleague Street mentioned, continue to follow the market. I think the Japan market has been pretty exciting with the volatility over the last couple of weeks. And if you think that this is a market that presents opportunity, continue trading, and you stand to be the next lucky winner. Thank you very much. Over to you, Sri.
Okay. All right, congrats once again to YM Lin. Let me just jump back to our slides here. Okay, so if you are not in the running for this month, you could be in the running for next month. So just keep trading the SGX Nikkei 225 Index futures and you could be our winner in August. How do you increase your chances to win? Every 5 lots you trade, it will increase your lucky draw chance. So as long as you keep trading the SGX Nikkei 225 Index futures, your chances will keep increasing. Okay, if you're not yet a client with Phillip Nova, you can scan the QR code on the left and start trading the Nikkei 225 Index futures. Now, if you're already a client, trade the SGX Nikkei 225 Index futures at 50 cents. You can scan the QR code on the right to learn how you can add the contract to your watch list. I believe that's all the time we have for you this month. Remember to keep trading the SGX Nikkei 225 Index futures, and we hope to see you once more for Nikkei 225 Fly to Japan promotion lucky draw in August. Bye bye and take care.